Toyota has launched its all-new Yaris Cross that builds on a rich SUV heritage to deliver a stylish compact package designed to meet the lifestyle needs of active urban dwellers. As Toyota's first entry in the light SUV market, the Yaris Cross doesn't compromise when it comes to style or city suitability and still delivers all the safety, versatility, functionality, and capability of a larger SUV. The Yaris Cross, the second member in the all-new Yaris family, offers a game-changing presence. With its class-leading safety features, hybrid drivetrain, advanced electric AWD system and a premium, flexible interior. Toyota Australia Vice President Sales and Marketing Sean Hanley said the new Yaris Cross provides the perfect blend of small car style and SUV functionality and capability. Toyota was a pioneer in the small SUV market when we launched the original RAV4 in 1994. RAV4 is now the world's best-selling SUV, and we expect the all-new Yaris Cross is set to make as big an impact on the light SUV market in years to come, Mr. Hanley said. Set to appeal to metro living, country exploring, active urban dwellers, it delivers all the style, advanced technology, safety, and a very fuel-efficient hybrid drivetrain demanded for the weekly commute. Complementing that is a highly versatile and premium interior, AWD availability for when the tarmac runs out, dynamic driving characteristics and comfortable raised ride height, making it the ideal small SUV, wherever your journey takes you, he said. The Yaris Cross is available in 9 variants with a choice of new petrol or hybrid powertrains, 2WD, front, or electric AWD, and 3 grades, entry-level GX, mid-range GXL and top-of-the-range Urban.